Hello guys, welcome to Marvel AI Academy. So today I'm going to show you how you can be able to create logo easily, and also how you can be able to create 3D animation product promotion for brands. Yes, it's very easy. I'm going to teach you how you can use your mobile to do it. Yes, very easy. So if you are coming across my video for the first time, make sure you like and share to people that you know it will be helpful to, and also drop a comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. So today I'll be teaching you how you can be able to learn how to generate 3D promotional videos for brands, for your business, so on and so forth, and also how you can be able to create logo. It's as easy as it is. So stick to the video to the end, and I assure you you will learn something new today. So now let's.
So you come to renderforest.com. You can see here, renderforest.com. You sign in with your Gmail, your respective Gmail. So now we'll be doing two things today: promotional video for business, so on and so forth, and also creating a logo. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So now for the promotional video first, you come to video. Depending on the promotional video you want to create. Depending on the promotional video you want to create. So you can select anyone you want. Now let's try this. Let's try this educational logo in. So if eventually, let's say for instance now, let me go again. For instance now, let's say the particular logo style you are looking for is not there. You use the template to get what you are looking for. So let's use this educational logo review. Now let's watch the preview to see if this is what we actually need. So let me use this one that is already saved here. Then here, let's say Marvel AI Academy. Here you can be able to change the size anyhow you want it. You're able to change the size here, and according to your preference, anyone you know is okay for you. Then the description: a place to learn AI automation. You can also make it smaller. You can see. Then you export. And note one thing is that when exporting, watermark is eventually going to show. Yes, why the watermark will be there? Because you are not using the premium, you are using the free trial. You get it now. So note that our watermark will be there. So you can eventually change the template if you want, but for the sake of the tutorial, let's just continue with this. So when you want to change the template, you come to down here. This, you see the template there. You get variety of templates you want to use. Then you come to export. You can see now this is the only one we can be able to access because we are not using the premium. So you come to free export and you hold on, you wait, because eventually it's going to take some little time, but not much time. So let's just wait. So meanwhile, while that is going, I've opened a WhatsApp group chat whereby you can be able to meet other creators like you who are learning AI. So if you are interested, maybe you are a content creator, you want to learn how to use AI to generate content, how to do faceless content on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. So just get the link in my description and also in my bio and join so that we can go together. Thanks. So it's already finished. So just wait for it to completely Now let's check our work. Let's see how it is. Let's check our workout. Let's check. Wow. So you can see the watermark that is there now. You can see the watermark that is there. So now you save it. You hold it. Let me show you. Just hold the video for it to save. Not this option. Hold the video for it to save, and you come to download video. So you hold on. It's going to display in your screen. Though it's going to take time. I don't know why it's going that way. So for you to remove the watermark, you need to be using the premium version. Let me show you. If you click this remove watermark here, it's going to tell you to subscribe. So our video is downloaded. Now let's go for the logo creation. How to create logo. Let's go for the logo creation before we finally work fully on the video now, because we need to put that watermark. If we are doing a video for a client, that we can't leave the watermark that way. Yes, we cannot leave the watermark that way. Now we want to do a logo for a particular brand, and it's a bakery company. Or should we do for bakery, or rather we should just do for okay, let's see the option we have there. Let's see the options you have. You come to logos. You come to logo. Now, what kind of logo do we want to create? So let's create a logo for. Let's go to our template. Okay, let's create a logo for a sports company. No, there is no need for that. Okay, let's say a gaming company. Let's create a logo for a YouTuber. Like, let's say somebody who wants to open a YouTube channel. Let's create a logo for the person. I think this one is easier. So you choose anyone according to your preference. There are a lot, many. Anyone you know that this is the one I like. Then let's use this one. I kind of like this one. You click it and let it open. The logo name. So you edit the name. Let's say let's give it this name. Then let's say elegant and beauty. Let's do this one. For instance, maybe if you have a logo to use, you can change the color. As well, change the. Change the color. If you look at the image, and you see that the image is nowhere arranged, so you arrange it. You can resize it as you want. You can as well change the color of the background to your fitting. You can as well change the color of the background to your fitting. What color will be best? Wow, this one is nice. This one is nice. You can change the color of the write-up. Can see now. This is nice. Yeah, this is nice. Then if you are done, you come to download. You enter this one. that you see there is no crown because it's free. Then you click download. Then you wait here, it's loading at the down, polishing your logo. So, and for those of you who are interested in learning how to create nice logo for free, because this Renderforest now, eventually if you say you want to pay like a paid subscription, is very costly, very costly. You get it now. So for those in my private one-on-one class, I have given them full access to use Canva AI, free access to it. So in my next tutorial, I'll be talking about Canva AI, how you can use Canva AI to design a lot of things. Yes, how you can use Canva AI to design flyers, to design logos and all that. And you have access to the premium usage only for my one-on-one students. My students who are registered for my one-on-one class. So that is that. So now let's continue. Our logo has downloaded. Now let's come to download and see for ourselves. So here it is. This is our logo. Wow, you can see how beautiful it is. So now for this image now, for this video now, you can see there's a watermark here. Now let me show you how you can remove it. Now you go to your InShot, you come to your InShot. So if you don't have InShot, go and download InShot, or if you have any other app you can use, you use it. You come here, come to new, then you select the video. Select the video and you come to sticker. You come to sticker, search, just wait for it to pop up. Now you look for what you want, anything. You can push here, you can look for subscribe. You come here and search for, you come to social and search for subscribe. If it doesn't pop up, you search it. If it doesn't pop up, so let's see if it's already out. Okay, it's here. You come to this place. You can use anyone that you know it fits. Anyone you know it fits. So you come here and use it to cover it. Then you extend it to the end of it. So now let's play our video and see. Wow, nice. This is nice. So that's it. Now there's something that you need to do. The InShot now I've already added their own watermark, which we also need to remove. Now it's very easy. Like I've told you before, you click here, enter free remover. If you're not using the premium, you enter free remover. So you will just watch some few seconds ad and everything will go. Oh, they didn't give us any ad to watch, so lucky for me today. Then you come to export. So you edit it according to how you want it. If it's 4K, so anyhow you want it, just leave it. Let's see. Oh, they have given me the ad. So you just wait for it to convert. So once it fully exports, you see that your video will be ready for use and everything will be okay. The watermark will not be there. So if you find this helpful and you have learned something new today, make sure you give me a like and also subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more in regarding to creating animation and a lot about AI, and also how you can learn some tricks about AI. So in my next video I will be talking about how you can use Canva AI for your designing, how you can use Canva AI for your designing, and I will be giving free access to the Canva Premium app. So all my students who will register for my one-on-one class. Yes, I've launched my one-on-one class. So now you'll be learning a lot of things. You'll be having access to a lot of AI tools. So concerning the one-on-one class, I'm going to talk more about it in my next video. So thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Create now. So it's as easy as it is. Very easy, because a template is already given. Your own is just to edit, and that's all. Now they said your logo. Now let's get a logo. You can either use text, you can either use picture, whatever you want. Now let's get a logo. I think